Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the combine function inside of Microsoft Excel. So basically this function is pretty simple and it's used to return the number of combinations for a given number of items. So this function contains two arguments. So we have the first argument, which is a number. It will be the number of items or elements, and the number chosen, which would be the number of items or elements in each combination. So for example, let's say we have a group of 20 persons and we want to make teams of 5 persons. So here we're gonna enter 20 and here we're gonna enter 5, and then we will be able to know with this function how many different groups of 5 persons it's possible to do with a group of 20 persons, and if we have 5 persons inside of that group, so how many different groups with those people. So how exactly this function works? So it's pretty simple. As I said, we are going to start with our number. So at first we're going to enter 20, which will be the number of people in this case, so it's going to be 20 people, and we're going to have teams of 5 persons. So we are going to enter 5. Then the next step will be to enter our function. So the function that we are going to use will be the combine. So as always, we start with equal and then we can write down combine. Here we go. So here it is. As I said, the first element will be our number. So it's going to be 20. And the second element will be the number chosen, which is how many people we want in each team. So we want 5 people. So just like that, we know that there is 15,504 different combinations that are possible with this number. If, for example, we have a set of 20 people and we want a team, and we want to have a team of 20 people, of course, the number of combinations will be just 1, because it's only possible to have one team of 20 people. The same goes if, for example, we want to have only 1 person per team. So there is just 20 different combinations that are possible, because each person will be with, will be alone. So each person will be alone. So we have 20 teams of 1 person. But the moment that we want to have teams that are composed of more than 1 person, you'll be able to see that the number of possibilities becomes very, very high really quickly. So as you can see, if we have 20 persons inside of a group, we can have 184,756 different possibilities of how we can move those people in order to have teams of 10 persons. So this is how you use the combine function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.